57 DBZs on radar. 24,000 foot storm. Got some mushroom clouds there. Got some mushroom clouds. There's the anvil. Whole thing's the anvil right there. That's the core. Oh, that's actually a new cell right there. New cell developed right there. Brand new cell right there. Keeping my eye on that. Wow, look at that. Stupid birds. This structure's nuts. There's the storm itself. Sun there. The anvil right there. Ooh, that was a good one. Wow, look at the anvil right there. Oh boy. This is coming right at us. Oh, that's not, that is. Cooled down quite a bit too. You just feel the temperature, it just went, it just dropped like 10 degrees. It got cool out here really quick, you could feel it. It got cool out here quick. Wow. Structure's amazing. Look at this. Look at the structure. That looks like a volcano exploded. And I think I just saw light. Yeah. Storm coming to Tonawanda, New York, with really loud thunder in the distance. Man, it cooled down a lot. It cooled down a lot. You can feel it too, the temperature just dropped. 79 now, but it's going down. Listen to that thunder though. That thunder though, it's nuts. Alright, that's completely obscured. Yeah, dude, it cooled down a lot. Wow. You can feel the temperature dropping. As soon as that sun went away, it dropped. Yep, it moved. It's moving towards us. Anvil moved.